Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. And today I'm going to be going over some advanced surface modeling, and we're going to be modeling this arrow shark. And excuse me, it looks a little complicated, but it's actually quite simple to do, and it looks very scale too. And this is all done with surface modeling, all of it. As you can see, this is all surface modeled here. And so let's go ahead and get started here. Let me drop this and this. And we have our picture in here already. The top and the bottom. And we'll start a new project over here. Excuse me. So I should how to do this. Okay. First thing we want to do, we want to create a profile of this, a side profile. So create a sketch on this plane here. And we're going to use a fit point spline. Now, I'm just putting a lot of points in here. You really shouldn't do this, but I'm just doing this for speed and time, so we don't waste a lot of you guys' time here. You want to put a few of these points in as possible, and then move them around to get the shape that you want. And the bottom profile too. Okay, that looks pretty good. Finish sketch. Next, going to create a sketch on this profile here. And we're going to use a fit point spline. And again, we're going to copy the outside shape. And straighten this up a little. And mirror this line here. And the mirror line is going to be this. And click OK. Go ahead and finish sketch. You can turn off the canvases and the origin, and this is what we have so far. Okay, now what we want to do, we're going to put some offset planes in here. So turn the origin back on. Come up here to construct, offset plane. This is the one here. Move this back. Okay, click OK. And another one, offset plane, use this one, slide this back to about here. Click OK. And one more. And click OK. Okay, next, I'm going to create a sketch on this plane here. So click the plane and come up here to create sketch. And what we want to do is project, so create and project include, and we want to intersect. Now it's going to ask us what geometry we want to intersect to this plane, and we want to select all these lines. Click OK. Then we pick the fit point spline, and we're able to snap to all these points now. And go ahead and finish sketch. And we want to do the same thing on this plane here. So we select that plane, create sketch, create, project include, and intersect. And select those 4 lines again. And click OK. Once again, fit point spline, snap it here, snap here, and finish sketch. And once more, this plane, create sketch, project include, intersect, and the 4 lines again. Turn off the origin so I can see the front here. And fit point spline. Go ahead and finish sketch. Now this is our wireframe so far of this model here. Next, come up here to surface, click surface, create, and we want to loft. Now make sure nothing has been selected in here. And we're going to select this, this, and this. Then come down here, click the plus, and then click the rails. And click OK. And just look at that. Very complex shape of the model. Just did. Just that simple. Very scale looking. As you can see, this was not difficult at all to do. It was quite simple. Turn the canvases back on. Create a sketch on this plane here. So create sketch on this plane here. Your line. Roughly about there. We're doing the spinner now. Then a fit point spline. Finish sketch. Come up here to surface, revolve this profile. There's axis and click OK. And just that simple. Again, complex shape, done very simply. Now, turn the bodies off, turn the canvas on. Create a sketch on this plane here. Draw a line from here to roughly here. Look at this from the top. Okay. Finish sketch. Then construct and use plane and angle. Or excuse me, not plane and angle. I used an offset, but I didn't click plane and angle. It's plane and angle here. Sorry about that. Change this to 90. And click OK. Create a sketch on this plane here. Fit point spline. Project this line here. Click OK. And we're going to use a mirror. I'm going to mirror this line here. And use that. And click OK. Finish sketch. Next, I'm going to create a sketch on this plane here, so click that. Your line from here up to here. And a fit point spline from here. Okay, finish sketch. And come back up the surface here. And we're going to use a sweep. Path guide rails, full extents. Select this profile and this profile. This is your path. And this is your guide rail. And click OK. And turn the bodies back on. And we have that. Now you can see this is turning out really well. And it's all surface model, advanced surface modeling here, but I'm doing this to show you that it can be quite simple too to do this. Okay. Turn the bodies off again. Create a sketch on this plane here. Fit point spline, and we're just going to do the canopy here. Okay, and do an offset. This, move this down. Click OK. Finish sketch. Turn bodies back on and turn the sketches on. Then we're going to use a split body. This is a body to split. And I'm going to use this tool here. Splitting tool. Click OK. Do that again. Turn the sketch back on. Split body. Now I'm going to split this body and use this as a splitting tool and click OK. Turn sketches off. OK. Now we have that. Looking pretty good. Next, create a sketch on this plane here. And a line from here to here. Look at this from the top. Make sure that's the correct line. It is. Move this forward and move this up a little. Okay. Now create a profile on here, a airfoil. And mirror this. Click OK. And I'm going to do an offset of, let's see here, hey, let me cancel this. And cancel this. And do an offset. Click OK. Go ahead and finish sketch. And turn the bodies back on. And I want to split body. This is the body to split. And I'm going to use this and click OK. Now I'm going to turn this piece off here. Okay. Now, the sketch here of that air profile of the wing, I'm going to put a offset plane. Of this. About right there. Now I want to create a sketch on this plane here. And I want to project this, this onto it. Click OK. Cancel this, I projected the wrong one. Do that again, project this and this one onto it. Okay. Finish sketch. Create a sketch on that profile there. Not just yet. Undo that. I want to surface, and we're going to do a loft. And click OK. Okay. Take a look at this. And it looks like it's going to have to be a G0 there. And that's going to have to stay connected as well. So, okay. No problem. And we have that. But I don't like that. So we're going to delete this. Turn off the bodies here so I can see. Okay. Create a sketch on this plane here. Do a line from here to here. Project these two. Okay. Finish sketch. Now we're going to do a plane at an angle. This line here. Move this up 5 degrees. Click OK. Create a sketch on this plane here. Draw a line from here. Actually, let me cancel this. I'm going to use a fit point spline. And another fit point spline. Finish sketch. Going to do a sweep. Now, try loft again. And I don't like this still. And delete that. Okay. Turn off the canvases here. And just looking at this and see how that loft is going to go here. Now, if I do that again, it's going to stick out here from that. So, this. Now I'm just thinking about moving the plane back. And see how that works. Okay. So now let's try that's too thick. I'll just do a regular loft here. Or sweep, sorry. Cancel this. And then use a sweep here. Okay. Now what I did here, I made this too big when I cut this first profile in here, I just made that too big. So I can go back and clean that up. But in this video, I'm not going to. I just want to show you guys something quick here to get you going. And that's no problem. So now I'm going to create, mirror this, plane, this new body, and click OK. And then the next time when I come back to this, I'll like this one here, or turn the bodies back on this one. Make it look a little more like this, but the one that I just did is fine. This one here is fine also. Not bad at all. Okay, now add a little color to it. Okay, it's looking pretty good for a quick little model here. And as you can see, this is all surface modeled. And it's very simple. Even though this is complex modeling here, surface modeling, but as you can see, this is quite easy to do, this particular design. And it looks exactly like it too. So that's going to do it for this little video. I just wanted to get you guys started in surface modeling, advanced surface modeling, and something that's not too difficult to do right off the bat. Like this, it wasn't. It was, as you can see, it was quite simple to do to get this going. And I will do one more thing before I leave here. Just going to put this in here. Now, I'll do that next time. Okay, but yeah, so next time when I come back to this, I'll straighten this wing section out here a little more. It's fine as it is. I don't know why. I'm just not satisfied with it just yet, but it's fine. And put the horizontal stab back here and just do a little more details of this airplane. But yeah, but this is just a quick little video of surface modeling this airplane, this Aero Shark plane. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. And I invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. And if you have any questions, you can get answers there as well. And so, yeah. But anyway, that's going to do it for this short little video. And Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.